Hey guys, and welcome to lecture number 3. From now on, no more theories. We're gonna do some actual stuff on Facebook, and we're gonna learn exactly step by step how we're gonna use the pixel. So let's start. We're gonna learn how to create a pixel. There are two main ways to do that. This is one of those. Uh, you can reach this screen, the Facebook Pixels screen, by going to the top bar here, All Tools, and you will see it right there underneath Events Manager. There is the pixels. Of course, I'm working with the business.facebook.com. It's the business platform. Whoever uses the personal ad account, it's quite cool. It will provide everything you need, including the pixel, but it's quite limited comparing to the business manager. So it's very recommended to use it. Anyway, in order to create another pixel, a new pixel, we need to go here to add data source. We have three options here. We're going to use Facebook Pixel. This is the default name Facebook gives our pixel. We're gonna create, and here we have the pixel right here at the bottom. And in order to start using it, we're gonna click on Setup Pixel, and we have three options here. First one is integrated partners that Facebook have, like BigCommerce, Google Tag Manager, Magento, and other platforms. It's sure a great way to integrate with specific platforms. But here we're gonna learn how to master the pixel. So we're gonna leave this option aside for now, and we will use the manually install code ourselves. The third option is to email the instruction to your web developer and to let him handle it by himself. But anyway, we're gonna click on manually install the code ourselves, and here are the instructions about how to use the pixel and how to implement it. The location of the pixel should be between the head tags in your web page. Second, you have the pixel itself. This is the pixel. If I click on it, it's been copied to my clipboard, and I can paste it in my web page. And after I paste it there, I can test it by entering the URL. Let's say I'm implementing it in Tegans.com, so I am clicking on Tegans.com, send test traffic. If the dot becomes green, it means that the pixel have been implemented right. So we're gonna leave it here for now. We're gonna continue and see the events that we've talked about in the previous lecture. Here you have all the events that you can use. Let's say that we want to use generate lead, and we want to use um, view content, and generate lead. So here are the two codes that we should copy and use in the exact places we want to trigger for those events. The generate lead, this code this code that I'm gonna copy and paste, I'm gonna paste it in the thank you page that I have after the user submits the form in the landing page. This one, the view content, I want to use after 30 seconds of a page view, because this is a trigger that means that the user interest in my content or service or product, and it can be very useful for retargeting or even to just understand the user's behaviors and see what kind of campaign works better and performs better. A second way to create a pixel is in the business settings that you can also reach by the top menu bar right here. For me it's right here, for maybe in some of your views it's located somewhere else. But anyway, there's the pixel tab right here on the left, and I can create another pixel by clicking here on the blue button, and it's just the same process like we saw in the last screen of the pixels. Just the same process. We're setting it up, and that basically it. So after we created the pixel in two different ways, we need to implement it, which we're gonna do in the next lecture. So see you there.